Good afternoon everyone. Today topic is about understanding the need and basic guideline and contact process for value education. In this we will learn about the need of the education. Myself Sonia Sharma, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department in Chandigarh Group of College Chanjeri, Mohali. The content of this session is value, human values, education, complementary of the two, primacy of the value education, need for the value education, guidelines, content and the process. Now, what is the role of education? Basically, the role of education is transformation. Right understanding, relationship, physical facility. These all things are basically come from the true education. And mutual happiness and mutual prosperity come from the education. One education start in the family, then going on the college, school. It is influenced by the media, role and model in society. Right understanding, relationship, physical facility, unhappiness, making other unhappy. So these all things are come from the education. Living with human conscious, human family and human society. Living with animal conscious, in human family and in human society. Right understanding, अच्छे संबंध in the self, relationship संबंध and physical सुविधा with the rest of the nature. This is basically, it's all depend on the mutual happiness is depend on these all things. Now, next is what? Value, human values and universal human values. This means, what is value? Means valuable, means value. The content is always the large order. Value has to do with the participants in the large order. A piece of chalk is a unit, a classroom is a large order, and a value of chalk is that it can be used to write on the blackboard. This is the value of the chalk. Participation in the large order is also its role in the large order. The role of chalk is to help write on the blackboard. Human values. Value role of human being is its participation in the large order. I feel happy in fulfilling my role. It is fulfilling for the other as well. I feel happy when I have a feeling of respect. The other feel happy when I express respect to him. This is basically the difference. Now, the nature, every unit is participating with every other in mutual fulfilling and in fulfilling manner. The air, water, for example, the air, water, soil, plant, tree, animal, bird. The role of humankind is to live in harmony in the large order. For this, human has to understand harmony at the every level of being. Human values and role of human values in the large order. As you know, individual, I have a role within myself. Family, I have a role in my family. Society, I have a role in the society. I have to ensure happiness in the self and healthy in the body. I ensure the feeling of relationship and prosperity. To participate in social system like justice, peace and harmony. And nature is mutual fulfillment with the rest of the nature. Deciding our values. This is basically, do you want to be able to decide what is your own right, or do you want somebody else to decide for you? So this is the difference between the values. This somebody may be a group of the people, it may be the society, your friend, your family, your brother, sister, your siblings, anyone. If you're not able to decide it on your own, then someone else is programming you. Unconscious, you have to accept that things. You get busy with how to implement them, how to release them and materialize them. Value decided by the other. In a professional college, many first year students start to use foreign language within a very short time. These are made to assume that this sort of language is one of the indicator of their freedom, of their own progress to manhood. Similarly, with the sleeping late, getting up late, so many things. Did they decide it for themselves? Did it just unconsciously without being aware of what it is? Is it worthy for them? Is it fulfilling for others? So these are all the answer questions that will rise from these type of problems. So if we are unable to decide it on our own right, we are programmed by the others. Other people will value decide for us. They can be anyone from the society, from your family, from your sibling, anyone. Deciding human values on our own right. Would we decide on the basis of whatever we like? If we decided in this manner, human value will be different from different people. In this case, then there is a possibility that human values are universal and there are some of all of us. So, component of the human education: understanding, learning, doing. These all are the components of the human education. What to do, how to do, and skill guided by value. Are both value and skills required? Both are required. Value and skill are complementary to each other. If both are required, then what is the priority? What is the state in the present day education? Now, next is guidelines. Basically, guidelines for a human value education. The content need to be universal. The content need to be universal. It must be rational, verifiable, and leading to harmony. Content of value education means cover all the dimensions like thoughts, behavior, work. Cover all the level of the living. Process of value education means universal, rational, and verifiable. Process for value education means whatever is said is a proposal and verify it by on oming. It is only on the basis of natural acceptance. It is a process of dialogue, a dialogue between me and you. Soon become a dialogue within your own self. This is basically the process for value education. Now, analyze of the current state. Little interest in learning ensure what they wish to do in life. Under pressure, parents, speed, TV, manifest problem, insensitive towards indiscipline, violence, addiction to oil. Graduates tend to join into the blind race of wealthy and position. Other aspects of life including relationship in family, workplace, understanding of society, public group, and remain nagging. This is basically use and misuse of skill. Value education: difference between value education, moral. Value education: proposal, self-verification. Moral: do or don't. It goes to understanding, knowing. It's preconditioning. It's self-motivating. It's external motivating. This is the basically difference between value of education and moral. So, thank you so much. Hope this session is very clear to all of you. In this session, we learn about the understanding need, basic guideline, and process for value education. Basically, in this we learn why education is important, why making our own decision is important, what is the need of value education, what is the complement, what is the guideline and process. Hope this session is clear to all of you. Have a good day. Thank you.